Finally, ma-withdraw na natin ang ating milyones.
Do you want to know?
Good morning, guys. Today, we're going to pick up my Google AdSense. Pinadala na ni Google, finally. Ha?
It's in my office.
Yeah.
You staying in the car or are you coming up?
No, still in the car. So, Daddy will go up to his
I'll go
office.
to my office and pick up the mail.
Yeah, thank you, Daddy.
Welcome. I have my phone.
You just leave the car running?
Yep. I'll leave you in it. I don't need anything to get in the office. I'll ring the bell.
Okay. So, funny guys kasi naka 3 request. Tapos sabi ng friend ko si Joyful Day TV, after 19 or 21 hours pwede na ako mag-manual. So nag-manual ako agad-agad kasi syempre ayaw natin ma-demonetize. So nag-try akong troubleshooter last night. So hindi talaga gumana. So anyway, timing, kaninang umaga, after ko magsundo kay Georgie on the way home, nag-WhatsApp yung asawa ko, nag-send ng photo na yung Google AdSense ko ay dumating na. Kasi kinarap ko si office niya kasi wala kaming PO box. So, gamit ko yung office address ni Daddy. So, finally, ma-withdraw na natin ang ating milyones. Para akong baliw dito. Ang dilim kasi nasa parking tayo, guys. So, ma-withdraw na natin, guys. Tawa-tawa yung asawa ko kasi sabi niya pathetic daw yung kita sa YT. Kaysa naman wala, 'di ba? At least na-enjoy, tapos yun lang. Minsan wala tayo ng time sa family natin, yun lang yung So, that's it. So, ayan, hintayin natin yung asawa ko makabalik, guys. Yeah. Na-monetize ako, guys, is December. Tapos, hindi ko kasi alam na need pala mag-sign in sa Google AdSense. So, akala ko kasi pag monetize ka na, automatic na yung mag-send ng love letter si YT para sa Google AdSense pin mo. So, wala lang ako. Hanggang sa, ewan ko ba, ba't biglang nag-message ako kay Joyful Day TV kung paano ba ng Google AdSense. So, yun, tinuruan sa akin dapat mag-sign in ka. So, ginoo ko, isang buwan akong monetize. Saka pa ako nag-request ng pin. Tapos, so January nakapag-request ako ng pin. Wala pa rin. February, so March, so 2 months. Mag 3 months na pala akong monetize. Saka dumating ang aking pin. There you go. What you've got for mommy? I don't show that. Hey, Google AdSense. Thank you, Daddy.
Right question.
Yeah. From France pa pala ito.
Yeah. Focus. I'm asking you a question.
Okay.
Do you want me to drop you?
Yeah. You need, what time is it now?
7, 8 minutes past.
Yeah, you need to drop me because my schedule is 10:30. You okay with the shopping?
I have to be on. Help me carry it.
Oh, thank you. Galing kami nag-shopping, guys. Tapos may pedicure ako, tapos leg wax. Tapos i-drop na lang ako ni Daddy. No? Ang bait niya. Ayan, ang bait.
Feel my belly.
No, only your face.
Fast? My fast? What bloody English is that?
I'm joking. Only your face.
No, you weren't joking. You just proper English. My daughter's 3 and she's better at you.
A mouth. It's just like vase. You said vase. Oh.
Vase, vase. It doesn't matter. It depends where you're from, how common you are and how posh you are. Uncommon, so it's a vase. sister thinks she's posh, so it'll be a vase.
Ah, really?
I go and have a bath. My sister will go shopping in Bath.
So if you use the word vase, that's posh sound.
Vase. It's very
Vase?
posh.
It's English sound.
Yeah, but it's posh English.
Vase.
You just
So
say
not
vase.
vase.
It's a bloody vase. Put flowers in a vase.
That sounds like no farmer, no vase.
No. Farmer says, "Get off my bloody tractor."
Tractor.
Tractor. Not tractor. Here we are opening the Google letter for Jessica. Have you got a good camera picture there, Mrs. Oh, shouldn't say your name. Delete that bit. Don't want your name on. Then horrible people might find you and do bad things. Oops. Lucky. I'm ready, steady.
So, ito na siya guys. Nabuksan na to ni Daddy. I-enter na natin para masahuran natin ni Whitey. Pambili kape. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Bye!
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Say I'm